Hello, I'm DJ P. De La Cruz, and today I'll be discussing Fuji Manufacturing, a company facing several workplace challenges. This includes high turnover, absenteeism, low morale, poor teamwork, unfair appraisal, and stress-related issues. The purpose of this video is to use industrial psychology to diagnose this problem and propose practical solutions that can improve employee well-being and organizational performance. Let's look at 5 key problems. Number 1. High turnover and absenteeism. Concept, motivation and job satisfaction. Psychology effect, disengagement and burnout. Impact, reduced productivity and stable workforce. Number 2. Low morale and motivation. Concept, Herzberg two-factor theory. Psychology effect, lack of enthusiasm and poor performance. Impact, low output and negative workplace culture. Number 3. Poor teamwork and unclear rules. Concept, team dynamics and rule clarity. Psychology effect, confusion and conflict. Impact, inefficiency and missed goal. Number 4. Unfair appraisal complaints. Concept, performance appraisal system. Psychology effect, frustration and lack of trust. Impact, demotivation and resistance to feedback. Number 5. Workplace and fatigue and stress. Concept, economic and stress management. Psychology effect, exhaustion and anxiety. Impact, error and absenteeism. Improvement plan. Here's how Fuji can improve. Recruitment and selection. Use a structured interview and realistic job review to hire better fit candidates. Training and development. Offer onboarding and skill building program to boost confidence and competency. Teamwork and communication. Implement team building workshop and regular feedback session to enhance collaboration. Motivation and appraisal. Apply Herzberg theory. Improve hygiene factor and recognize achievement early. Stress and fatigue reduction. Introduce flexible schedules, ergonomic workstation and wellness program. Organizational culture and change. Use McGregor Theory Y to promote trust and autonomy, fostering a positive culture. Personal reflection. Through this project, I learned how industrial psychology connects human behavior with workplace outcomes. As a future employee or leader, this insight will help me create healthier, more productive environment. The most useful concept for me is motivation because it drives everything. To summarize, Fuji Manufacturing issues can be addressed through psychological principle and practical intervention. By applying industrial psychology, we can build a workplace that supports both people and performance. Thank you for watching.